this is Jacob from Kramer Mazda. Today I'm showing you this beautiful Mazda MX-5 RF. The MX-5 is an iconic roadster, which is the ultimate expression of Jimba Atai, horse and rider as one, a connection Mazda works tirelessly to perfect. The MX-5 comes standard with a Skyactiv 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. Made it to a 6-speed manual transmission, which is a true pleasure to drive, or a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic. Performance isn't the only thing that sets the MX-5 apart. With its sleek aerodynamic design and attention to detail, this car is a head turner. From the aggressive front grille to the sculpted body lines, every inch of the MX-5 has been crafted with precision and care. This specific MX-5 is the top GT trim in the beautiful platinum quartz metallic color. It is outfitted with heated leather seats, a power retractable hardtop, and a Bose sound system with headrest mounted speakers. Every MX-5 has near perfect 50-50 weight distribution, leading to optimal driving dynamics and driving pleasure. The MX-5 also comes standard with kinematic posture control, which reduces body roll, leads to a more planted feel, and aids the driver in faster acceleration in corner exit. Come down to Kramer Mazda Calgary today to experience our selection.